countries are deporting refugees. But when you watch news coverage, these refugees are being referred to as migrants. Because let's face it, deporting migrants sounds way more reasonable than deporting individuals who have been forced to flee their country because of persecution, war, and violence. The United Nations definition of refugee. And in naming these people this way, we've attributed to them a choice instead of a circumstance, some economic gain instead of a desperation to flee a war zone. These little ones are refugees, not migrants. I took this photo last year at a refugee camp on the Syrian-Turkish border. Contrary to popular belief, they aren't poisoned. They're not here to steal our democracy or take over our neighborhoods. They're people. Families who wish that they could go home, but have had to make that home somewhere else. And we've come to this point where the word migrant essentially means piles of brown, foreign-speaking people. And we end up forgetting there was a point where some people would have considered those who looked like this to be migrants as well. Right, though?